So we're just having a coffee. The bikes are over here. We're parked somewhere we shouldn't be. So we're just here at the Guimaraes castle. We've just finishing our stay in Guimaraes, which is the UNESCO World Heritage Site. We're just setting off for the day. We're heading to Bon Jesus, and then we're travelling through the National Park Reserve up to Ourense. There's some hot national springs up at Ourense. I think we're doing about 120 miles today. Lots of curves, and then a long straight line across the national park. Just filmed some nice footage of the castle up here that you can see. We've just arrived at Bon Jesus. Just having a wander around. It's an old school camera there. Apparently there's a funicular railway somewhere. Can't see that yet. Just gonna head over and see the view off the mountainside. There's a little map to tell us where everything is. This is a view from the side of Bon Jesus. We're gate crashing somebody's wedding here, just it's amazing. Nice place to get married. So we're going down the funicular facing upwards, but we're going backwards. It's not too steep, thankfully. Just going over the road that we came in on. So we're just at the Bon Jesus bus stop. And then somehow we've got an advert for Felix Cat Foods, and Robbie Williams is advertising cat food. this option? I feel like this is optional. Something tapped. First night in Ourense. Just got here, got all cleaned up. It's been hot today. Just heading out for dinner. We've just literally walked up from the hotel, and apparently this is like the old town, which is the best place to get some tapas and maybe a beer or two.
Gracias, señor.